Josh, bringing you another video for you guys today. And about a couple days ago, I got the new batteries in for the bike. I want to go ahead and show them to you right now. Now, hooking these up was a little bit tricky, but I kind of got it going down. So basically, I want to show you the new batteries, and they are really a lot more efficient than the old ones. So take a look at this. Okay, now if I open this up, there they are right there. They are Mighty Max. I think that's what they're called. And they are hooked up right. If I turn this, well, I don't know what the heck is that that's bulking out, but I don't know why. But close that up, turn this on, still up to full percent. If I turn this on, radio comes on. So correctly, it actually works for once. Another problem. I had the LEDs that was on it blowed up, so I had to reorder more the wire, and I have something else too. I have another upgrade too, but that's going to be coming pretty soon. So hope you guys like this video of this update. I'm just glad that the batteries are now working again and everything is great. So hope you guys like this video, and catch you guys next time.